Are you running a service business? Well, Jobber is an all-in-one platform for scheduling, invoicing, and managing clients, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works using my own mock business. Now, apart from that, if you want to sign up for Jobber, there's a link in the description below to give you a 14-day free trial, so make sure you use it, and let's get into the video. So here we are. We have entered officially the Jobber dashboard. Now, to get us up and running, it can set you up your own website for your business in order for you to be easy to find online, send professional invoices, organize your schedule, and create your Jobber account, which is the one thing that we've done. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to run, let's say, an example car detailing business, and that's what we'll base today's video on. So right off the bat, what if you've created your account but you've already set up your business and it's been haywire, which is exactly why you would opt for a service like Jobber. So the first thing you'd want to make is that maybe you have 10-20 clients that have already been in your rotation and you want to include them into your system in Jobber. The first thing you want to do is that you want to go to create over here, and you've got the option to create a client, a request, a quote, a job, or an invoice. We're going to press client. So I've taken some time, mere seconds, and I've added a client. We called him Mr. Appleby of Applebee's. I added a phone number, I added a password, and as I said, we have a car detailing business. So it tells you everything, and it's very nuanced, so that you have every detail possible about your different clients, and you can access it, your team can access it. We created an address for said client, who's client number 1 right now. You can add custom fields. Let's say because this is a car detailing business, we can he gets his Toyota detailed, but not the other cars, and we create a custom field with that car that he has a Toyota. Finish all of these little details, pretty nice and pretty quaint and simple, and you press Save Client, and in seconds, we have a Mr. Appleby, our first client. Well, the second thing that you can do, and this is actually a new feature on Jobber, if you go to the create prompt over here, is send a request. Now, a lot of people might be mistaking the request for the quote feature, but the quote is directly just getting paid. So you're sending them basically a receipt for something that you've done. But a request is actually pretty neat. You can use your marketing and you can direct them to a Jobber request link for your job. They fill it out, information gets stored, and you get notified, and then you convert their information to a quote and send it back to them, as opposed to filling out an entire quote and sending it to them. You sort of have their information on the ready, right? And then you select a client. That's the client that we already have, Mr. Appleby. Provide as much information for the service, how available I am. I'm available on the 10th, and another day that works for me is the 18th. I'd love to work in the morning. There could be an on-site assessment. Maybe you need to look at the car to see how much you need to do, and then you save that request, and then you can send it to Mr. Appleby. So that's the second option that you have as a car detailing business. Next option after the request, which is a new option, is the quote option, and we want to create a new quote. Reduce repetition, save time by using quote templates. I've already created a template that we can later use, and I called it engine detailing because that's something that some people may want done to their car. So it asks you, do you want to use a template or create a new quote? Let's use engine detailing. Now we have it at the ready. Start with an introduction to outline the project scope. Try it. Okay, so there's the quote. Let's say we created a new client, Bacon Kevin, right? That's Bacon Kevin that we met on the street. He saw a car detailed by his neighbor, and he was like, yo, who did this? And they referred us from, and here's his address, Walt Disney Resort. Lucky guy. And yeah, we create this guy. He's a potential client. We don't know him yet. He doesn't know us. Now, the rate opportunity depends on how much, if he's actually going to go for us. Maybe if he's just a referral, he's unlikely to, maybe he will opt for the engine detailing, but if he knows his neighbor and his neighbor is his best friend and he loved this job and he actually contacted me, so maybe it's very likely, right? And it gives an intro of the engine detailing exactly. So, oh, we detail your engine. It's going to take you 45 minutes and the car is going to feel like brand new. You get a free assessment out of it first. We don't, charge you right away. But if you say yes, we're going to charge you whatever, it costs. And you can add a required deposit. Let's say we want it's $1,200. I want a $500 deposit. You can add and attach different things, different examples of car detailing. And then you can say, hey, it was nice chatting with you, right? Something like that. And then you tell them that this is valid for only 30 days. And you can save, and you can get internal notes as well. Now you can save and send as an email. You can send it as an SMS, and you can convert it to a job. So we have created a quote, and then we saved the quote as a job as well. So now we have the potential customer because they agreed via email or via SMS. They love the price. They love what we gave them. So now it's about to be job number 1 for Mr. Engine, for Mr. Bacon Kevin on the engine detailing. And this is me right here. You can set if you want it to be a recurring job. Let's say he wants his engine detailed every month. 12:21, and I want it to end in an hour and 39 minutes. That was quick math right there. Weekly on Wednesdays. You can make monthly on the 10, as I mentioned before. And you can create different team members. And when you have different team members, then you can assign the job to a different team member. Let's say it gets assigned to John. Now you can email John about the assignment on his app, on his own Jobber app. And if you have multiple team members on their own apps, they're going to get okay, so John has a job on September the 10th from 1221 to 1400, and it's going to recur every month on the 10th. And the price is either visit based or a fixed price that they pay monthly, according to all of that. And you can email booking confirmation to Mr. Bacon or text booking confirmation, which I advise doing that because it just keeps everybody accountable, ready on the job. And that's the beauty of Jobber. It's that you don't really need to opt for any other software whatsoever because you have everything. It's already, okay, so it's job number 2. It is already all happening in app for all your team members at the same time. You calculate the profit, include cost on line items, labor, and expenses to get an accurate reading on job profitability. You don't need to opt for any other software in order to, use Jobber. And there you go. You get all the visits already mapped out instantly with this certain customer or client. And if we go to schedule, then we can see it recurring on every month. There was a job that I made here that was canceled. Our first job for Mr. Bacon Kevin. And the last thing that you want to do after having performed the job is to create an invoice. And just with this click of a button, it's going to create this beautifully made, very professional looking invoice ready to go. There you go, for services rendered, same as billing, number, details, the net amount that I need paid. You can, you get a free assessment for this amount of bucks, and you add deposit that maybe you might need. Thank you so much for whatever. Thank you so much for the opportunity. And yeah, there you go. And then you save and send as email, or save and collect payment. New payment for Bacon Kevin, save and email receipt. You get the professional looking email and invoice, all done with a click of a few buttons. You have everything on your business as far as this job. That's exactly how to set up an account using Jobber. And by the way, if you want a 14-day free trial, you can use the link in the description below. You can create your own team, create your own business. You can set up different team members, different clients, add clients that you already have and new clients, send invoices, requests, do jobs, and also do quotes in one very quick video. But it doesn't even stop there. There's also marketing options. And if you press marketing right here, what it's going to do for you, it's that it's going to give you the different businesses that you have under your main account top performing sources of income. It can generate a free website for you, which is absolutely insane. You can even do referrals with referral links. You can also generate reports, see the expenses, timesheets for people clocking in and clocking out of your team. And the community is basically just a blog post where people will post about Jobber and the different things that they love, or maybe they don't love about it. I just think it is the absolute best. So yeah. That's like a very, very intricate breakdown of Jobber.com. Have you used it? Let us know in the comments below. What do you want to see from us next? Also, let us know. Don't forget to give this video a like. Use the link in the description below to create your own account, and we'll catch you in the next video.